And we are back. 7 days has gone by. Something went wrong along the way. I'm not quite sure what it is, but we'll figure it out together. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, the cathode didn't grow much of our crystal, copper crystal. But I think I know where all the copper crystals went. Let me show you. Wow, look at this. Amazing. Well, for some reason, we have a lot of copper crystal growth down with the sludge. Not quite sure what we have here. Let's see what we can do, if we can capture it. With a coffee filter. Let's see. This is so stupid. Oh my god. Oh, what a bad idea. What a bad idea. But we have something. I just don't know what it is yet. This is a mess. Oh my god. This is gonna take some time. We'll be right back. While that is dripping off, we can be making some new fluids with demineralized water and some copper sulfate powder. I make it like 10% sulfate and 90, well actually that's not true, 10 parts water and 1 part sulfate. So that's like I don't even know at this point. Is it 10%? No, it's not. 9%, I don't know. Well, we'll be putting this in. So we will start by making 5 liters and see how much more we need from there. Let's say it's very hard to combine these two things. But let's see. I'll be shaking the container when the powder is in, and then we will see how bad it is. So this is the new cell. We have our anode weighing 2.7 kilograms. There's probably, hopefully, 200 grams of pure silver in this, but we will find out later, I guess. And for the cathode, we are trying to use stainless steel this time instead of copper. It should be easy to clean off, but I'm not so sure really. But we'll see. Running 2 wires to 2 separate plates. And the reason why we are using 3 wires here is only because when it starts to eat up one of the sides, we still have 2 points of connection. So it's just for some redundancy. And just a box for as a container. Place this on the one side, like so, and this one in the other side, like this. And we will be filling it up with the fluid just like a centimeter from the top of the anode, just to make sure it's not eating away the support that it's hanging and the supply of current. So we should try to see how much this can cover. Just shake it one more time. we will be needing some more fluid. I'll be moving it at its location before pouring up the last bit. Well, this doesn't look suspicious, right? Let's go for 1 amp and 3.5 volts. Okay, we can get a little bit more if we place them closer together. But then we will not have much room for growth. But we have the fuse if anything goes wrong. I tried the small batch off camera and the coffee filter caught fire. So we introduced a lot of carbon into the powder. I melted it and it came out somewhat metallic, but I'm not sure it's optimal. But we'll see when the big batch is ready. Then we can dry a big portion of powder and see if it gets really silvery or not. Let's see how the big batch are going. As you can see, we are pulling over 5 amps. So we are putting a lot of energy into the solution. So hopefully that will speed up the process. But let's have a look inside. We'll just remove the lid. That will help it from evaporating. Let's see the anode. It's starting to eat away a lot of material. But it looks like it's flaking off somehow. I'm not sure what that is. But it seems like there's a lot of debris in the bottom of the container. I'm not sure that is silver, all of it, but let's see at a later point. And we are accumulating quite a bit of copper on the stainless steel plates. Crystals are forming and a thick layer of copper on the plates. That's great. Let's put this down. I'm not sure that I can show you. Yeah, maybe I can. The liquid is not very clear, but there's a lot of debris in the bottom. I suspect that it will take about 2 more weeks. This is after a week, by the way, from starting the cell. I suspect 2 more weeks will be sufficient to remove all of the material from the bar. And then we will sift through the liquid and see what we got in the bottom. When these 2 weeks has gone by and we have seen what we got here, I will be making a little model again with this bar. It's from the first ever video I made of precious metal refining. And what we found out at that point was that this contains around 45% silver by weight. So I'm very excited to see the results from this in this kind of system. I'll be making a suction bag as a filter, so we do not get all the sludges down in the liquid, but it's contained and all of the copper will just move through it. So make sure to watch out for the next video. Oh, I'll just show you what I can from the bottom here, maybe. Let's see how well it performs on camera. I don't know if you can see it. There's a lot of stuff and debris down at the bottom. I'm not quite sure what it is because I did not expect so much stuff. Also, well, there's like some crystals at the bottom. I'm not sure if that's copper or what it is. Also there. Oh, it's so hard to see on camera. But we will siphon out the liquid when time is right. And we'll see what the hell we got. Until next time, see you around.